Hi there! In today's video we will talk about battery of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Let's get started. So, the first thing is that the Galaxy Watch 7 exists in two variations, 40 and 44 mm. On the 40 mm variation we have 300 mAh of battery, and on the 44, 425 mAh, which means that on the 44 variation we have 42% of battery more than on the 40. That means that your watch will last longer than the old variation. And also, the processor of this watch become on 30% more effective. That means that all of the applications will start faster and you will be able to enjoy your watch without any slowing. Now let's talk about how long these watches can last. If we will enable always on display mode and won't touch them, it will take only 7-8% in 10 hours. That's much better than only Galaxy Watch 5. But if we will enable the same always on display and actively use our watch, it will take 13 to 15% in 1 hour. If you're planning on active usage of your watch, you would need to charge them every day. Keep that on mind. And also, if you are planning on using GPS on your watch, for example, to track your workout route or anything else, it will take extra 7% of the charge from the 13-15 that we have talked about before. So, now let's talk about charging. How long it will take to fully charge these watches. If you want to charge them from 0 to 100%, it will take about 1 hour and 10 minutes. In 15 minutes, you'll be able to get 40% of charge, and in half an hour 65. And also, extra tip, if you would like to your battery last longer, we would need to enable power saving mode, which limits some background activities which are damaging your battery. To enable this mode, we would need to swipe down to open the control panel and simply click on this icon with a little leaf on it. And that's it. Now your battery can live longer than usual. And that was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.